Okay, this next section is for the this next section is for the neighborhood section of the report. The current property that we're looking at is a rural property. Now, what I need you to do is understand what urban is, suburban, and rural. Okay, if you see pictures in the folders, so if you look here, you just kind of go through these pictures. Like this is part like the farmland. Okay, this is more of a rural type property. If you look at the outside, okay, this is the neighborhood. Okay, this is kind of like farmland, neighborhood type of property. So this is a rural property. Okay, so you're gonna have to click that. If it's more like a suburban property, I'll show you some pictures of suburban properties. Okay, so this is more of a suburban property. There's houses next to each other. This is more of a suburban type properties. Okay, so and I need you to understand what the property that you're looking at, and then click urban, suburban, and rural. Urban is more like sky buildings and very tall buildings. Okay, so go ahead and if it's a tall building, and go ahead and click that, or close, homes really close together. Urban, suburban. This is more typical homes here in Portland, but this home was a rural property. Okay, built up, leave it at 2575, growth stable. Property values, go ahead and put in stable, imbalance, and 3 to 6. Okay, so just keep pressing enter, and you'll just kind of go through that. I need you to read through these and make sure that you answer all the questions. Okay, neighborhood boundaries are the and I need you to fill this out. The neighborhood boundaries are the rural areas of Dundee, which is our city, Dundee, and Hillsborough are the Newburgh city, rural areas of Dundee and Newburgh. I just know that because of experience. Rural areas of Dundee and Newburgh to the east, west, north, and south. Okay. These words always have to be in there. East, west, north, south. Okay. I'll go over. I'll put another video of suburban properties and how to get of suburban properties. Okay. So I'll do another video on that. Okay. So go ahead and just press enter. The price. I'll teach you this in another video. But I know that's something like that. Okay, and just keep going through there. I don't think you guys know that yet, but I'll teach you that as we go on. The subject is in the country area of, same thing, Dundee, Oregon. Around, and how many miles? Okay, so you go ahead and open up a Google. So open up Google and go ahead and copy and paste Dundee, Oregon, and you want to get the map. You want to see the distance from Portland, Oregon. So from Portland, Oregon to Dundee is around 27 miles. 27 miles. So all you have to do is put 27 miles southwest. Okay, here's Portland, and here is the subject property, which is 27 miles southwest. If the property was up here, it would be northwest. If the property was over here, it it would be southeast, northeast. So you'll have to know the direction. Okay. It is well-established residential neighborhood consisting of ranch, traditional, contemporary homes, average to above average quality and maintenance levels. There are no adverse addition. Okay, so that is that section. Now it says see attached addendum. To see attached addendum, you just press CTRL A, and that brings up the addendum in that part. Okay, so if whatever is here should be here, but it overflows into the addendum, which is here. Okay, and and then I'll put another video on how to do this section. We'll go ahead, and that is our neighborhood section, right?